The Terracotta Army is one of the most remarkable archaeological finds of the 20th century. It is a vast collection of life-sized terracotta figures, numbering in the thousands. They represent the armies of Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. The army is a testament to the power and ambition of the emperor, who sought to rule for eternity. The Terracotta Army was buried with the emperor in 210 to 209 BC. The figures were meant to protect him in the afterlife. They were arranged in battle formations, complete with horses and chariots. The army is a stunning example of ancient Chinese artistry and craftsmanship. The Terracotta Army is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in China. The army is a powerful reminder of the grandeur and sophistication of ancient Chinese civilization. The discovery of the Terracotta Army in 1974 was a complete accident. Farmers digging a well near the city of Xi'an stumbled upon a pit containing the figures. The discovery caused a sensation around the world. It quickly became clear that this was a find of immense historical significance. Archaeologists were called in to excavate the site. They have been working there ever since. The excavation has revealed thousands of terracotta figures, as well as weapons, chariots, and other artifacts. The site is still being excavated today. The discovery of the Terracotta Army has revolutionized our understanding of ancient China. It has provided us with a wealth of information about the military, art, and culture of the Qin dynasty. The Terracotta Army figures were made from yellow clay. This clay is found abundantly in the region around Xi'an. The figures were made using a combination of hand molding and assembly line techniques. First, the legs, torsos, arms, and heads were made separately in molds. Then they were assembled using strips of clay. This allowed for variations in pose and expression. Each figure is unique, with its own individual features. The figures were originally brightly painted. However, much of the paint has faded or flaked off over the centuries. Lifelike detail, the individuality of the Terracotta Army. One of the most remarkable things about the Terracotta Army is the level of detail that went into creating the figures. Each figure is unique, with its own individual features. The figures vary in height and build, reflecting the different ranks of the soldiers they represent. They have different hairstyles, facial expressions, and even armor. The horses are equally detailed, with their muscles and veins clearly visible. The attention to detail is a testament to the skill of the ancient Chinese artisans. It also suggests that the figures were intended to be more than just representations of soldiers. They were meant to be seen as individuals, each with their own story to tell. Gap 1 is firing and painting, bringing the army to life. After the figures were sculpted, they were fired in kilns at temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. This hardened the clay and made the figures durable enough to last for centuries. Once the figures were fired, they were painted in bright colors. The paint was made from natural pigments, such as mineral pigments and ground-up plants. The colors used were red, green, blue, black, white, and purple. The painting of the figures was a complex process. It involved multiple layers of paint and a variety of techniques. The end result was a lifelike and colorful army.